In this video, you'll learn how to check Microsoft Intune Tenant Service Release version. Intune is now on a monthly release cycle, which means that updates to Intune are released once a month. You can determine the service release version of your Intune tenant using multiple methods. Every service update released for Intune contains new features, bug fixes, and new capabilities. By knowing the Intune service release number, you can get additional information about updates. There are two ways to find the service release version of Microsoft Intune service. The first method involves accessing the Tenant Details section under Tenant Status to determine the service release version. Whereas the second method uses a PowerShell script to export tenant information, which includes the release version details. Using a PowerShell script to find out the Intune Tenant Service Release version may be complex and time-consuming for many users. Therefore, I don't recommend the PowerShell method. Instead, you can find the service release version from the Microsoft Intune Tenant Details page. This is the simplest and quickest way to determine your tenant's release version. Service updates to Microsoft Intune Tenant. Before checking the service version of your Intune tenant, it is important to know that Microsoft releases monthly service updates to Intune. These updates are rolled out to tenants in an order. Day 1. Asia Pacific gets the Intune updates. Day 2. Europe, Middle East, Africa, EMEA, gets the Intune updates. Day 3. North America gets the Intune updates. Day 4. Intune for Government gets the updates. In some cases, you may not see the service release version of Intune Tenant updated to the latest version. All you need is a bit of patience, because it could take up to 3 days for tenants to receive each monthly Intune update. If you still don't see the Intune update for your tenant, you may contact the Intune support team. Steps to check Intune Tenant Service Release version. You can quickly check the Intune Tenant Service Release version by performing the following steps. Step 1. Sign in to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Step 2. Navigate to Tenant Administration and now select Tenant Status. Step 3. Select the Tenant Details tab, and here you can find the service release version of your Intune tenant. So, I hope this video was useful in determining the Intune tenant version. If you require any additional assistance, please leave it in the comments section. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like it. I will see you all soon with my next video.